Hi! Welcome to this video tutorial on running pro-snappy bot on the BakerySwap platform. I will now show you how the bot works here. First of all, we need to enter the pushes amount right there. So and then enter our bot here. Just a reminder that all the settings are set to default right after we install the bot. You won't have to set them yourself. And we need a token address right there, and paste it here. Push the button start and wait. Just wait. Check out the purchase speed in the comments below the video. I think it's much faster than usual. And now we are clicking on the first cell here. Just wait. So it's successful. Also, we provide the bot for 14 days completely free for you to try it for yourself and make sure it works. When the 13 days are up, the bot will ask you for an activation card, which you can buy from our website here, and just click on the bottom buy. So all links below this video I will leave in the description. I wish you a good mood and a peaceful sky over your head. Bye!